Hello everyone. Today we are going to see fraction simplification. So this kind of fraction simplification is very helpful for all competitive exam. Now let's directly enter into the sum, that is 5 plus 6 divided by 7. So this is the fraction, that is 6 divided by 7 is a fraction. We have to convert as a simplification as a single answer. So here we are going to apply the trick by going to solve within seconds. So for these kind of sums, what we have to do means we have to take an LCM. So here what is the LCM? That is, we all will know that it is 35 plus 6 divided by 7. This is the LCM here. So next step is 35 plus 6. So here 35 plus 6 is 41 divided by 7. Next what we going to do here means we have to do the divisible. That is for writing the answer as a mixed fraction. So this is the concept here. So here we doing the divisible means what we have to do means here we have to write 41 and 7 means here balance 5 and remaining we got 6. So according to the mixed fraction, what we have to write here means 6 divided by 7. This is the concept. So these steps taking very long time to growth. So we have to apply this one as a wrong. So we have to apply the trick for this following sum. So what we have to do means for following the trick, we have to write, if we having plus symbol means just we have to write this 5 here and 6 divided by 7 here. So this is the answer. So we don't need to calculate these kind of divisible steps. Just if we having plus symbol here means we can able to write this kind of problems here very easily and within seconds. And another step is for this fraction, upper side is we having the small number and denominator we having biggest number. So this is the concept. So according to this step, if we having second sum minus symbol means what we have to write means as usual the same concept we have to write like if we write 3 here means we have to write 2 and we have to do the difference here. So 3 divided by 8. So this is the answer. So again I am explaining, first 3 we have to reduce 1 and we have to write 2 here and we have to check the difference between 8 and 5, that is 3 and divided by 8 here. So this is the concept. So let's see this is the right or not means what we have to take the LCM, that is 24 minus 5 divided by 8. So 24 minus 5 is 19 divided by 8. So next step according to the mixed fraction changing we have to do the divisible method. So here 19 8 divisible. So what we have to do means we have to write 8 2s are 16 here. Now do the subtraction, remaining is 3. So if the mixed fraction what we have to write means 3 divided by 8 and 2. So finally the answer we got is correct. So please apply the trick by using this fraction method. Don't use the divisible method. This is the concept. So if we having plus means just we have to write like 5 6 divided by 7. So if we have minus means we avoid this one and we have to write, if 3 means we write 2 and here difference 3 divided by 8. This is the concept here. Now let's enter into the third sum, that is 5 1 divided by 4 plus 6 1 divided by 2. What is the answer? We can able to solve these kind of sums very easily. So for these kind of sums, first we have to write this 5 and 6 separately and again this fraction, that is 1 divided by 4 plus 1 divided by 2 separately. The next step we have to add this 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 6 is 11 plus the next step we have to take an LCM for this fraction method. So what is the LCM here? We all will know that your LCM is 4. So we have to put 2 here. So if we put 2 here means 1 plus 2, that is 3. So here 3 divided by 4 is the answer. Finally if the plus got here means what is the first problem? We all will know that by applying the trick don't need to take an LCM, just write as 11 3 by 4. This is the answer here. So the next what we have to do means for applying the plus and minus we have to write this trick method and we have to follow the same trick. Next now let's enter into the fourth sum, that is 5 1 divided by 6 plus 3 1 divided by 4 minus 7 1 divided by 2 plus 4 2 divided by 3. What is the answer? As usual the same process we going to follow here also. So we have to separate and write 5 plus 3 plus minus 7 plus 4. This is one side and fractions are in another side. Plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So the next step what we have to do means we have to add this one. So 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have to write 5 here, and the next step we have to calculate this one. We have to take an LCM. So LCM video link was given in the iCard for verification. Please use the LCM tricks. So here LCM is the largest number is 6. So here 4, in this 4 not 6 is divisible. So we have to take 6 into 2, that is 12. So we have to 12 is divisible by all numbers. So LCM is 12. This is the concept. So here if 12 comes means what we have to do, here we have to put 2, here we have to put 3. So here we have to put 6, here we have to multiply into 4. So by applying this we have to write an answer as 2 divided by 12 plus 3 divided by 12 minus 6 divided by 12 plus 8 divided by 12. This is the concept. So the next step what we have to do means 5 plus we have to add these kind of sums. So here common we have to write as 12 here. So as usual the same method we have to follow here also. That is, if we add and minus this one we get 7 divided by 12. Let's say here this we got plus symbol. So what we have to write 5, 7 divided by 12. This is the answer here. Applying the trick method. Okay. The next step is 5, 7 divided by 12 is the perfect answer for the simplification. And the next sum is 21 divided by 2 plus 31 divided by 3 minus 15 1 divided by 6. As usual the same process we are going to apply here also. We have to write separately this numbers and fraction numbers. So 20 plus 30 minus 15 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 divided by 6. So next step is we have to add these numbers. So 20 plus 30 is 50. 50 minus 15 is 35. Here we have to take an LCM. We all well know that 6 is divisible these numbers. So 6 is LCM. So here we have to put 3 plus 2 minus 1. So as usual the next step we have to calculate this one. So 35 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 divided by 6. So here we have to take an cancellation method because we can able to cancel here the process. So we have to cancel means 2 and 3 gets. So 35 plus 2 divided by 3. So again here plus comes. So what is the answer means 35 2 by 3. We no need to take an LCM. We have to apply the trick method. So 35 2 divided by 3 is a perfect answer for this fraction simplification sum. And other video links are given in the description box for your verification. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and for other notification click a bell icon. Thank you for watching.